As Health Secretary Andy Burnham prepares to set out the future of the NHS today, it's been getting a welcome and unexpected boost from Twitterers all over the globe. The Health Secretary, via Number 10's own Twitter page, saying he was delighted by all the praise the NHS has been getting in response to Barack Obama's plans to reform the US healthcare system. The American president wants to widen the availability of treatment and health insurance over there, but he's being criticised by Republican politicians who say that the plan will unfairly cost people on higher salaries who'll pay bigger premiums. But as the debate ended up as one of the top trending topics on Twitter yesterday, the NHS was getting support from a pretty high-profile patient. Professor Stephen Hawking, the Cambridge physicist who's had muscular dystrophy for 40 years, spoke out after Republican politicians in America lambasted the NHS as evil. "I wouldn't be here today if it weren't for the NHS," he said. "I've received a large amount of high-quality treatment, without which I would not have survived." Professor Hawking was in Washington to be given the Presidential Medal of Freedom, America's highest civilian honour.
Professor Stephen Hawking was a brilliant man and a mediocre student when he lost his balance and tumbled down a flight of stairs. Diagnosed with a rare disease and told he had just a few years to live, he chose to live with new purpose. And happily, in the 4 decades since, he has become one of the world's leading scientists.
It's all great timing for Health Secretary Andy Burnham, who's launching an initiative about new funding for exercise on prescription. At the moment, the NHS spends £3,000 a second combating illnesses and diseases that can be treated with simple physical exercise. And as the UK prepares for 2012, it's even more important to put exercise at the top of the agenda.